Hi everyone, welcome back to Tiny Talent Art Studio. Today we're going to draw a cute little burrito. What you're going to need is a black marker, something to color with, and a piece of paper. Alright, are you all set? Great, let's get started. First we're going to draw the little cheeks under his eyes. 1 and 2. Then we're going to draw 2 big eyes. 1 and 2. Now let's draw the inside of his eyes. 2 nice big ovals. Do one side and then we'll do the other side. Next up, we're going to do his eyebrows. 2 eyebrows. 1 and 2. Great job. Alright, now we're going to do his smile. The smile is going to go across here, and we're going to make a big, nice cartoon smile on him. So start about here, and do his little cheek, do his top part of his mouth, and then do the other part here. And then we'll follow the line across. And then we're going to do a nice big open mouth on him. That looks great. You're doing a great job. Now let's do some teeth on this burrito. Straight across. And then we'll give him a tongue. Perfect. A little line underneath his chin. Let's start forming the actual burrito. So we're going to start and we're going to go up and around and then on a diagonal here. So just above the eyebrow, we're going to start here and we're going to wrap our way all the way down and under. We'll just take it in sections, okay? Bring your line down this side. And then back under a little bit. And we'll bring that line up. Good job. And then we're going to form a new line, and we're going to bring that back up to a diagonal. So we're going to go this way, and then we'll start at the top. We're going to go diagonal down, and then bring that line down and connect. Perfect. Okay, next up, let's just add a little bit of a corner here to the burrito. Great. Now we're going to do some lettuce and some tomatoes and some things to fill the burrito. Whatever you like to fill your burrito with, you draw it. I'm going to do some lettuce. And then I think I'll do a tomato right about here. Nice big red juicy tomato. And then I'll just do the lines around this way and curve that line in and then up and down. And then I'll add some seeds into the tomato. That looks so great. Alright, I think I'll add some more things to this burrito. Some meat. And then I'm going to do some more lettuce in the back. That's going to look really good when we color it in. Alright, let's turn this burrito into a cartoon and we're going to make some arms on him. I'm going to go up on that side and then up to form the rest of his arm. Now let's do his hand. And we're going to put his little glove on and wrap it around like that. And then he's going to have the bottom part of his finger there. It's kind of curled under. And then let's do the rest of his hand. His fingers are kind of curled under. And then he's going to have a thumb. He's kind of giving a thumbs up. A thumbs up for a good burrito. Who likes burritos? I do. All right, that looks so good. You're so good for following along this far. Let's keep going. Let's do our other hand. He's going to have like a fist, and he's going to have his fist on his hip. So his hand is kind of going to be bent backwards, and it's going to be sitting on his hip. So it might take you some time to do this, but just follow along. All right, now we're going to do the top part of his glove there. And then that part, and that's the back of his hand resting against his hip. Wrap that underneath, and then we'll put the fingers this way. That's part of his finger, and then wrapped around and back up. That looks really good. Well done. Now let's just add his 2 fingers. That looks so great. Well done. All right, we're all done with the pen outlining. Let's color him in. If you want to follow along with me step by step, I'll show you which colors I'll be using. I'll leave the name of the markers that I use in the description below. Let's get coloring. Thank you so much for joining me today to do this cute little burrito. Hope to see you next time on Tiny Talent Art Studio. Bye!